Dear students, welcome you all for the video classes. In the last class, we cleared the subunit that is relations under the main unit relations and functions. But in the today's class, we will take the discussion on one of the important concept or subunit of relations and functions, that is functions. Correct? If you take the functions, you should remember the definition of relations, because if you know the relations, function is very easy. Otherwise, if you don't know the meaning of relations, function is very difficult. It means that if you have the relation, you can create the function. Then what is the definition behind the function? I will give the definition like A and B. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets. Then a relation F from A to B. Then a relation F from A to B. A set to be a function is said to be a function. Said to be a function if every element in capital A has a unique image in capital B. Every element in capital A has a unique image in capital B. Means if you take the domain set, or I will call it if every element in capital A has a unique image in capital B. Unique. What is the meaning of unique image? One and only one. Correct? One and only one image in capital B. Then how to represent or how to read F is? Reading is F is function from what we call F is function from A to B. How to read it is F is a function from A to B, or F is a mapping from A to B. How to read? F is a function from A to B, or F is a mapping from A to B. Here F is A to B is read as F is a function from F is a function from A to B, or F is a mapping from A to B. Correct? What is the domain? Domain of the function F is nothing but capital A. What we call domain of the function F. This A is nothing but domain, and codomain. What we call codomain of F. Codomain of F is equal to what? B. Codomain. This capital A is nothing but domain of the set, as we are in the relations. Set of all first components, set of all first members are the domain. But in case of function, set of all elements of the set capital A, which is nothing but domain, that is capital A is nothing but domain of the set, and capital B is nothing but codomain of the set. And range, and one more is range is subset of codomain. What we call range is a subset of codomain. Sometimes range is equal to codomain, sometimes range is subset of codomain. But this is the theory. Domain of F is equal to capital B, codomain of F is nothing but capital B. A. After that, how to represent this diagram? I will take, this is the diagram. Suppose I will call, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose I have set A and I have set B as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct? There is a function, and function is nothing but small f. Then you write it as F is a function from, or F is a mapping from A to B. If every element in capital A has a unique image in capital B. For example, 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Yes, 1 to 5. After that, you may write 2 to 5. Yes, you may write 2 to 5. After that, 3 to 6. Okay. After that, 4 to 7 is also okay. Means what? Every element in the domain or it is a domain elements, correct? Are you followed or not? Just to look at the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there. All the elements once is mapped. Correct? Just observe only one arrow. Here there will be only one arrow. Maybe 5 is common. Maybe 5 is common. I will tell you later. After that, 3 to 6, single arrow. 4 to 7, there will be single arrow. Therefore, it is a function. Correct? I will write f as a function from f is a function or what? Yes, it can be written in the form of f is nothing but what? Here you write it as function 1 to 5. Yes, 1 to 5. Correct? Or I will write it as it's a relation. I will write it as a relation 1 to 5. After that 2 to 5. After that 3 to 6. After that 4 to 7. 4 to 7. 4 to 7. Correct? Look at the value here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each and every element which are different. That is first component should be different. If you take any two ordered pair, first component will be different. ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬಿ. ಎರಡು ನಾವು ನಾನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ನಾನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ನಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು, ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಗಳು ನಾನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದು ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳು ಎದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಒಂದೇ ಮಾರ್ಗವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಒಂದೇ ಬಾಣದ ಗುರುತಿಂದ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 elements. All are mapped single time. There will be no arrow mark for the elements of the set capital A. Just observe, there is no two arrow. There are each and every elements of the capital set A having only one arrow mark. It may be different. It has 2 arrow mark will be combined. Correct? Combination of 2. 6 single, 7. Some of the elements are left, no question. But this is a function. This relation is a function. Why? Because function, look at the elements. Each and every element has the first component must be different. Second component may be repeat. Correct? In case of, I will write here. In case of function, if we take any two ordered pairs, then first member or component must be different. Must be what? Different. Must be different. No two ordered pairs they are common. Must be different. Then first component or first member of first component must be different. And second component maybe same. Correct? Second component must be what? Second members or component must be same. For example, 5 twice. Correct? Twice they repeated. Okay. 2 times repeated. Okay. No doubt. But first member must be different. This is nothing but domain set, and this is nothing but codomain set. But I will give you some of the values. How to write this set? For example, correct? I will write. This is the values, correct? I will write here. F of 1 is equal to 5. Are you agree? F of 1 is equal to 5. F of 2 is equal to 5. F of 2 is equal to 5. F of 3 is equal to 6. F of 3 is equal to 6. f of 4 is equal to 7. F of 4 is equal to 7. Here 5, 6, 7 are nothing but what? The ranges. What we call? Or what we call it is a images. 5 is the image of 1. 5 is the image of 2. 6 is the image of 3. 7 is the image of 4. Image is a function. Right? 5, 6, 7 are 5 here. 5, 6, 7 are images. Image set, correct? Image set. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And set 1, 2, 3, 4 are called free images. What we call? Free images. What we call? Free images. Free images. Previously we have the images. 1 is the free image of 5, 2 is the free image of 5, 3 is the free image of 6, 4 is the free image of 7. But 5 is the image of 1, 5 is the image of 2, 6 is the image of 3, 7 is the image of 4. Correct? I will write here. One is free image of 5. One is free image of 5. 2 is free image of 5. 3 is free image of 6. And 4 is free image of 7. Correct? 4 is the free image of 7. But 5, and I will write here, 5 is image of 1, 5 is image of 2, 6 is image of 3, 7 is image of 4. 7 is the image of 4. These are the terms to write the functions. But function is also called mapping. What we call? Function is also called mapping. But I want to give some of the relations which are functions or not. We have to check whether the given relations are functions, correct or not. We have to check out. I will give some of the examples. For example, relation R is equal to 1 2, 1 5, 1 6, 2 9, 3 10. Whether this is a function or not, whether this relation is a function, while giving the question, this type of question means whether a relation is function or not. First, our job is to look at the first order test. Here there will be common, correct? Common. If it is common, so it is not a function. But it is a relation. It's not a function, but it is a relation. It is not a function, but it's a relation. Why? Because the first component are repeated. Because first component bar or member get repeated. Correct? Get repeated. Repetition occurs in the first component. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 1 1 1 ಎಲ್ಲ 3 1 1 ಆಗಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು, ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸರ್ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದಾ? ಎಸ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, I will call R as 110. Correct? After that 2 11. After that 3 10. After that 4 11. After that 5 9. After that 6 9. Just look at the relation. 1 2 3 4 5 6. All the first components must be different. 1 2 3 4. After that 6 5 6, all are different. Second component may be repetition alone, correct? Then 11, 10, 11, 9, 9. Second component may be repeat, but first component must be different. But therefore, it is a function. Therefore, it is a function. Why? Because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಗಳೇನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡನೇ ನೋಡಿ 10 11 10 11 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಓಕೆ, 9 9 ಆಗಿದೆ, ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲೋಡ್. ಎರಡನೇ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಆದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬಾರದು, ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಹಾಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡೈನಾಮಿಕಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬರೀಬಹುದು? Functions can be dynamically represented with the help of this. I will call it a set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that 10, 11, 10. Sorry, 10, 11. After that 9. Correct? Here 1 goes to 10. Yes, 1 goes to 10. 2 goes to 11. Yes, 2 goes to 11. 3 goes to 10. 3 goes to 10. 4 goes to 11. Yes, 4 goes to 11. 5 goes to 9. Yes, 5 goes to 9. 6 goes to 9. 6 goes to 9. 6 goes to 9. These are the representation where no element is free. No element is free in the domain set. Correct? I will write here the domain set element. Domain set elements should not keep fixing free. Should not keep free. What happens? ಈ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಬಿಡುವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ I will write here. Correct? I will write here 1 2 3 4. Here 5 6 7 8. You have got to make this 5 6 7. Okay. This is a function. It is not a function. It is not a function because function says if A and B are two non-empty sets, then we define a function. F is function from A to B. Every element in capital A. Every element in capital A. If you point say A, it's a point say B. Every element in capital A has a unique image in capital B. Here, one of the element 4 will not take any images in set B. Therefore, it is not a relation. It is not a function. Then I will give the conclusion. Some of the questions which are based on whether the given relations are functions or not. Check it. Right? Therefore, I will give some of the questions. I will give some of the questions. Example, which of the following relations are functions? Give reasons. First one, R is equal to order pair 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. Second one, R is equal to 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. Third one, R is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of the three relations, which are going to be a simple relation, not a function, correct? And out of the three values, which are going to be take the functions, correct? Why solution? Solution number 1. before observing the or before differentiating the relations and functions, whether the given function given R's are correct R's or not. Yes, all the three values are nothing but relations. But what is the difference between relations and functions? Relation, in case of relations, first component may be repeat. First component may be repeat, but in case of function, first component must be different. Or if you take any two ordered pair, first component must be different. ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ನೀವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿವೆ ಅವು ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, this is a function, correct? It is a function. Why? Because function, if we take any two ordered pair, each and every ordered pairs first component, first member different. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳೇನಾಗಿದೆ 2 3 4 ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 3 4 ನೋಡಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ because each and every ordered pairs first member different. 2 3 4 maybe second member may be repeat, repetition allowed, but 1 1 2 which are these 1 1 and 2 are nothing but what? Ranges. What we call ranges. 1 1 and 2 are nothing but ranges. Here second one, not a function. Second one, not a function. Why it is not a function? 2 get repeated. It is not a function. Not a function because first component of the ordered pairs of the first two ordered pairs get repeated. Correct? Not a function because first component of the first two ordered pairs get repeated. For example, here 2, here there will be 2 get repeated. Correct? 2 repeated. That's why it is not a function. After that, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Third one is also a function. It's a function. Why? Because function, because each and every members will be different. First order will be 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 6 7 must be different. This is the theory behind some of the differentiate between functions and relations. Then you write the answer is differentiation is nothing but our job is to find the first component whether they are same or not. If it is same, which is not a function, otherwise those two relations simply a relation, not a function. Correct? I will write one of the note here. Functions are relations. But relations need not be a function. Correct? Functions are relations, but relations need not be a function. After that, a real valued function. One of the concept that is real valued function. After that, one more concept that is real valued function. Real valued function. What is meant by a real valued function? Real valued function is nothing but if f is function from a to b, is said to be is said to be real valued, said to be real valued, said to be real valued function if domain and if both A and B are subsets of real numbers, subsets of real numbers. For example, correct? That is A comma B is subset of R. A comma B subset of R are both subsets of capital R. Both are subsets of. For example, f is function from n to n. F is function from n to n, or f is function from R to R. F is function from Z to Z. So these are all some real valued functions. Real valued function. In the real valued function, we will learn there are 5 functions which are very very important. First is identity function, modulus function, greatest integer function, and signum function. There are 5 functions which are very very important for your study, correct, or exam point of view. That will be discussed in the next period. Thank you.